Hello, welcome again. This is DCS. So in this episode, I'm going to take you through how to track your orders. Okay, how to be able to track your orders. So once you are on your dashboard like this, you just look at the three lines at the left side up there. You click on it. Once you click on it, so you see my orders, right? So if it's Safa orders, you see it here. And then if it is orders you order from the e-commerce platform, that's this one, the e-shop. This is where you'll find it. Okay. So for now, let's look at the network orders, right? MTN, Telcel, and Tigo. So you just click on my orders. The moment you click on my orders, this is why it comes, right? So when it comes this way, what you have to do is to use the filters. Unlike the other one where you have to click dashboard and then you go, it's a long process, right? This is actually simple, all combined at one side. So just click on the network, select so MTN, right? So let's say it's MTN order, I want to check on my orders, so you just click on MTN, then the time you select today. Okay, so if it's today's order, if it's yesterday order, you click on yesterday. If it's last week or the whole of this week, you click on this week, so you can monitor all orders for this week. Okay, same to last month and all that, but I don't know what you'll be doing with last 3 months because complaint time a delay maximum 3 days. Okay, 2-3 days you submit your complaint. Okay, so let's choose today, then we'll go with the video. So MTN, and then today. So today, these are the orders that I have for the MTN. Okay, so this is for the purpose of the video. Now these orders are all delivered, right? They're all delivered orders. So now let's say the first order, which is last number 71, customer complains that he has not received the bundle. So to submit your complaint, now you see these icons here. These icons here, they all have their functions, right? Okay, so once you tap on the icon, when you tap on the icon, it loads details of the order. Okay, this is details of the order. You have the order ID, the date, time, and all that. The status is there. And then if you want to print the receipt, you can print the receipt just by clicking on download receipt. Okay, but I don't think that is necessary though. So the other icon, which is like an arrow, click on it. When you click on it, it's just to indicate the time the order was placed and the time it was delivered. Okay, so but this might not be useful to you unless otherwise. But the most important thing we are looking at is this one where you are seeing the yellow icon. Okay, you click on it. When you click on it, now here is where you submit a complaint. Okay, so if the customer complains that he has not received the bundle, here is where you submit the complaint, right? So you just click on submit complaint. Okay, so you see your complaint lodged successfully. Okay, so your complaint has been submitted to admin will see your complaint and then work on it. You don't need to come on WhatsApp and all that. But if you submit a complaint to the website and it is delaying, okay, if it's delaying and there's no feedback, you see as I submitted the complaint, you can see that here has changed. Okay, so if it is delaying and your complaint, you have not heard anything about your complaint, you can do a follow-up on WhatsApp just by copying the number and then taking note of the time. Okay, and take note of the time, or you just copy the ID instead. Any of them you do, you are good to go. Okay, then you chat customer care on WhatsApp and submit your complaint. That is if only you submit on the site and you delay. Okay, you are not hearing any feedback. Okay, so basically that is it, how to lodge a complaint, how to track your orders and lodge a complaint, right? So the same applies to the other network. So if it's Telcel, just click here, choose Telcel. If it's iShare, you click here, choose iShare. Okay, that is how it is. So basically that is it, okay, for this part of the video. Thank you.